Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another riding video. They canceled our game, got rained out. It must have been raining real bad. It rained real bad here earlier. It must have been raining real bad there too. So they canceled it. So I'm just gonna be riding the four-wheeler here. Pretty much a normal video in the rain, sadly. The creek ought to be high. It's rained the past 2 days. Like, literally non-stop. Thank you for 10K, like I said. What was I gonna say? I was really excited this morning to wake up to that. Thank y'all. The special will be out tomorrow. I'm recording the special tomorrow for all of y'all that are asking. What up? Or wondering if there was gonna be a special. This man would park right here. Jeez. I'm gonna run into his truck. Hold up, there's glass in this box. Oh, the box is all crunchy. Soaking wet. Going this way because it rained is probably a terrible idea because of all the tree branches and stuff, so I'm gonna come around. I tinted my headlights black for all y'all, in case some of y'all asked. If you didn't see the last video. Because both of my bulbs were blown, and I just said the light bar was bright enough for me, and said frick it, so now that's my thingy. Messed up. All this clay. It's like 70 outside. Only OGs remember the ditch mud hole. That was right here. And there was a mud hole right here. Well, it wasn't a mud hole, it was just kind of dug out in a spot for the stalks. This was probably a bad idea coming this way, but I want to see how bad this road is. I just gotta dodge all these limbs and potholes and stuff, all the obstacles. Ah, now I'm wet. Oh, there was one pothole I accidentally went in. We should be fine as long as we don't go in this big one. And the big one down here. flowed right there. Gotta take my phone out my pocket. Oh my, it's high. I honestly wish there wasn't as much air in my tires as there is because it's full PSI. But oh well. It's gonna float bad, I'm calling it. Which is not good at all. Airbox cap on good. This tight. Honestly, might just back in and water wheel it. I probably shouldn't be trying to cross this with as much air in my tires as I have. Because look at how it's flowing. My lord. It's flowing bad. But if I want to just see right here how bad it is. Like how floaty it is just with these tires. I'm going to try and pick it up. It's kind of deep already. Well, it's knee deep already. It's kind of floaty and kind of heavy. Yeah, I probably should let air out of my tires. So at first, I'm just going to back in. Because look at it flowing. I mean, I could try, but I know it ain't going to end well. Yeah, I'm going to chill. Yeah, and I just hit a stick. I'm just going to back in. Yeah, I'm on top of a stick. I'm gonna grab this stick. Where did the stick go, bro? Oh well. Wait, here it is. Oh! The sand made me sink. Bye, stick. I'm gonna try and kick it out. Yeah, it's gone. It must have got caught in the current. But it's gonna be deep in the middle. Like, look at Deuce. Be careful, Deuce. Oh, for a minute I thought my headlight was going. It's so black. One of them I went a little too black, so I had to sand it down. It doesn't look as good, but you can't really tell. It still looks really good. Dang it, I ran into that. Exactly what I didn't want to do. Forgot how aggravating trying to steer in this was. And well, not steer, just reversing water. With too much air in your tires. It's another great example of why I need to let air out my tires. Dang it. I didn't get over. It's so it's just sliding, man. Ain't much I can do without going in that rut. I bet you I could get over it though. Yeah, worst comes to worst, it slides into it. If I could just turn around, I'd be fine. Yeah. Or this works. It's just this clay so freaking slick. That tire is off the ground in the front. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. That's a great time for this, that sound. I'm backed up on this log. That is not good. Alright, we're good. Time to just roll in. Really need to get over. I'm bringing a tree in with me. Hopefully we don't just spin out. We're starting to spin out. I'm gonna put it in first, Terry. That was weak. I just saw it coming to the side, so I kind of chilled because I don't want to run into a log. The current wasn't really pulling, from what I could tell. I think I'm in a rut. Yeah, because it's leaning to the side. The current started pulling me there. I know that for a fact. Is this front end floating or is it just on the hill? It was on the hill. All right, I thought I was floating. I honestly think I'm making it if the current ain't pulling. Because the four-wheeler's heavier now with the tires, but yet again, like I said, I need to get a bigger PSI checker and check the PSI because I really don't feel like sinking it. Alright, I'm putting it in first, Terry. Dang it, I'm on a log. Well, I'm gonna be on the log. I need this front end to go down. If it isn't already. Yeah, I'm on the log. Alright, I just need the four-wheeler to reverse. Alright, I'm straight. That's the problem. The front end's so floaty. Oh, it's deeper than I expected. Yeah. It's low-key deep. I need that front end to stay down. This is kind of why four-wheel drive would help, honestly. Grab more traction in situations like this. But I'm just creeping on the gas, not trying to spin out. Alright, I think I'm good. Yeah, I gotta let air out of these. Bad. I'm going down to 10 PSI. Alright, note to self, you can't go as far out this time. I'm gonna do that one more time and see how high I can get. It's just so sketchy the way the creek's rutted out. That's why I don't like doing it. I'm gonna put the back rack under. Alright. Dang it, I had to let it down. Like I said, it hit the log. I'm gonna let it roll back again, just a little. I'm gonna get just like right here and wheelie it. Watch out, Deuce. I just stood it straight up. I know I'm gonna get roasted for being scared to go deep in the comments. Rob already tried to cross it when I was like that and it floated. And I know a lot of people don't get the idea that every time I sink it, that costs me money and messes up my four-wheeler. So I don't want to sink it again because I'm not made of money. But I promise if it stays like this, tomorrow I'll try and get a bigger PSI checker. Load up. I'm pretty sure they rescheduled our game till from Saturday, so I'll have a free day tomorrow. Come on, Deuce. I'm gonna try and get a PSI checker tomorrow and some other stuff I need. Load up. Unless we already have one. Load up. Come on. And then I'll try and cross it like that. I think I'll make it. Let up! Come on. Let up, Deuce. Oh, I'm in neutral. Silly me. I gotta be careful. My phone's in my jacket pocket, not my pants. Spider web on my mouth. comes to the 420, is either going to be Aztecs or Mega Mayhems. But that's a good while from now, like 4 or 5 months. Because we're definitely going to try and start another build on the 4-wheeler, and for sure the golf cart, and get a dirt bike on the channel. Next thing is another 4-wheeler and then the golf cart. We're going fast as crap. I hope we beat my goal before my birthday, by barely, because my birthday is literally next Sunday. Not this weekend, but next. So we barely beat that. Now my goal is 15K before Christmas. I know that's really high, but I think you guys can do it if y'all just keep killing the videos like y'all have. Because we could be at 11K in no time, honestly. I don't know why I came this way. I wanted to go the other way, but oh well. I wonder how much water's in this. I say a little bit. No, a good bit. It's actually flowing if you can look at it. You can tell from them bubbles and how they're going to the side. This is one of the most full I've ever seen this place. Yeah, it's up to the floorboard on the 28s. I don't know if I can drive through this field. Another spider web. I know they came out here and did food plots on it the other night. I don't know how they're gonna get to the other field with the creek like it is, and the bridge being so old, there's no way to get across other than this, the 420. But the odds of the 420 making it with the sprayer on the back without putting the sprayer and the gun underwater and getting water in the sprayer is bad right now. So we'll probably have to wait on it to go down again. Spiderweb in my eyes, dang it. I just want to look at the field and see what all they did. I have no clue what they did. I think they just sprayed and then they're coming back and doing stuff. Yeah, they definitely just sprayed, because you can tell from how everything's dead. They just sprayed. They're coming to harrow it next week, I think, and then plant. Get some corn tomorrow too. I'm getting that in the PSI new arrows. I don't know, but I'm getting a couple of things tomorrow while I'm off. If we have a PSI checker at the house, I'll let y'all know, and then I'll head back to the creek maybe today or tomorrow, probably tomorrow. But I'm just glad tomorrow's Friday. This week's been pretty short. I'm just ready for next week, bro, like crazy. I've been trying to upload on TikTok again. I kind of took a break from that. I posted 2 things yesterday. I think it's about done raining. What do I know? This right here is where I'm putting my blind up when it stops raining, when I spread corn tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain none tomorrow. It's finally stopped raining here. Well, it's just drizzling now. It's way past our game time though, so our game still it wouldn't have mattered. That's where I'm putting one up. That's a good spot. I'm gonna spread a bunch of corn out and like 10 feet in front of me, like real close, closer than that probably, and just try and get the easiest shot on the deer, so it's like nearly impossible to miss, and I can lay one out. But I don't know if that bow's got what it takes to take out a deer, so I'm gonna try, but I don't know if it does. That's why I'm setting it up so close, so I can actually have a chance. Oh, what she's doing out here. Daddy must be out here. Hey, Wizzy. Or did she let herself out? Come here. What you doing? What you doing? Where's everybody at? Where's they at? Where they at, Wizard? Oh, she about fell. But peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and go follow my socials. Thank y'all for 1,000 on Instagram and 4,000 on TikTok. I forgot to mention that. Also, go follow Hot Yacht. Get them to 1,000 on Instagram. So, peace.